Used to post on the block to the dime. Had my own little grill and my gold chain. I was out getting money off selling cocaine. Till the cops spent the block and took us all in. And yo, they caught me with dro in them. I told them I smoke, yeah, I smoke in them. They told me that's against the law, and I told them don't they lock me up. Becoming putting out me purple in the air, and I'm mine in the siesta. Rolling top, smoking top, yeah, me secret sensei. I'm highly, I done blaze it up, so I and I blaze it up. Come in and I did black, we are swing. Sing it with me, y'all. Hey, I take a hit of that ganja smoke high. Take a pic of whatever you like. You know the herbs that must clear my mind. Oh, no lie, no. You got a zip, we'll break it down. And take a hit, pass it around. You know the herbs that must sprout from the ground. No coming down. At the break of every morning, smoking, I make sense. No brother can count me. No other can quench me. Stop that cocaine, tell them bring my blunt, me ganja. Smoking every day till there ain't none. Open your mind to the gift that he gave us. Whether you smoke or you don't, I'ma get mine. With eyes full of roses, I take a hit of that ganja smoke. Take a pic of whatever you like. You know the herbs that must clear my mind. Oh, no lie, no. You got a zipper, we'll break it down. And take a hit, pass it around. You know the herbs that must sprout from the ground. No coming down, no. Sometimes that's all you gotta do. Roll up and smoke a blunt or two. Hold it in, then lay it down. Yeah. Don't let them haters come bring you down. Cause if you're real, then you know only real relate. We feed them on the street for the hit. Big opportunity, yeah. Go and get your money. Sing it with me, y'all. Me tell them, yeah. Look, I take a hit of that ganja smoke high. And take a pic of whatever you like. You know the herbs that may clear my mind. Oh, no lie, no. You got a zipper, we'll break it down. And take a hit, pass it around. You know the herbs that must sprout from the ground. No coming down, no. I take a hit of that ganja smoke and take a pic of whatever you like. You know the herbs that must clear my mind. Oh, no lie, no. You got a zipper, or break it down. And take a hit, pass it around. You know the herbs that must sprout from the ground. One more time, y'all, sing it with me, y'all. I said, I take a hit of the ganja smoke and take a pic of whatever you know the herbs that must clear my mind. Oh, no lie, no. Yeah. You got a zipper, we'll break it down and take a hit, pass it around. You know the herbs that must sprout from the ground. No coming down, no. That's my time, y'all. I go by the name of Inaugural. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Yo.